Tired of dealing with dust and dirt? Want a spotless home without the hassle? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2025 that will make cleaning a breeze. And yes, all the links are in the description below. Let's get started. 1. Dyson 15 Detect, the ultimate cleaning machine. Starting off strong with the Dyson V15 Detect, the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner on the market. It features a laser dust detection system that reveals hidden dust, a high-torque cleaner head, and intelligent suction power. 2. Shark Navigator Liftaway, powerful and versatile. Next up is the Shark Navigator Liftaway. This vacuum is known for its strong suction and anti-allergen technology. It's a 2-in-1 cleaner. Use it as an upright or a portable canister for those hard-to-reach spots. It's also a budget-friendly option. 3. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, the smart robot vacuum. Say hello to the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, the smartest robot vacuum cleaner of 2025. It features precision navigation, obstacle avoidance, and even empties itself. Imagine never having to vacuum again. 4. Tyneco Pure One S11, smart and powerful. If you want a smart vacuum with real-time dirt detection, then Tyneco Pure One S11 is for you. It automatically adjusts suction power based on the amount of dirt, making cleaning more efficient. Plus, it's lightweight and cordless. 5. Miele Complete C3, premium quality and powerful suction. For those who want top-notch build quality and powerful suction, the Miele Complete C3 is a must-have. It's super quiet, adjustable suction, and perfect for all floor types. Want to invest in a long-lasting vacuum? Which one of these vacuum cleaners is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home essentials and smart gadgets. Oh, and remember, all the links are in the description.